all good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 1 of your in class 5 English grammar, that is sentences, phrases and clauses. So let's begin with this chapter. What are sentence? Sentence is a group of words of which are some of them are subject and predicate, which contains a subject and a predicate. एक sentence में आपके subject भी होता है और predicate भी होता है. So, a sentence is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate, makes a complete sense by itself. वो खुद से complete sense बनाता है. वो किसी और पे depend नहीं करता for other words or group of words to do so. So, it contains a verb also. एक sentence में एक verb जरूर होती है. Look at the following group of words. अब हम कुछ sentences पे देखते हैं. A dog is barking. Barking is a verb. So एक पूरा एक सेंस बना रहा है फुल सेंटेंस आपका. इसमें सब्जेक्ट भी है, प्रेडिकेट भी है. Please sit here at the reception. Sit आपका हुआ आ गया. तो I was carrying a bag full of money. मैं क्या कर carrying आपका verb हो गया. तो ये अपने आप से खुद एक फुल सेंस बना रहा, तो that is a sentence. Each of the above groups of words contains a subject and a predicate. उसमें subject भी है, predicate क्या है? The dog क्या है आपका subject और predicate क्या है? Is barking is a predicate. Second में please sit at the reception. You इसमें you हो क्या है? You क्या है? Is understand is it? It is understood. You please sit at the reception मतलब you आपका subject हो गया. Sit at the reception हो गया आपका, जो please है उसी जगह आप you लिख सकते हो, और sit at the reception हो गया आपका predicate. Now I is subject and the rest of that is predicate. Was carrying a bag full of money. Here also each of the above makes complete sense by itself. So all the group of words are sentences. Now वो खुद से एक sense बना रहे, तो ये सारे group of words क्या है? Sentences है. Now let's talk about phrase. Phrase क्या होते हैं? Look at the following group of words. Is barking at the reception full of money. So we observe that none of the group of words make complete sense by itself. जो खुद से एक sense नहीं बनाते, तो each of them depends on a group of words to do so. वो एक group of words पे depend करता है. That group of words are called phrases. Such a group of words is known as a phrase. A phrase is a group of words that act together as a single unit. वो एक साथ act करता है single unit की तरह, but don't contain the things to need form a sentence. A subject and a predicate की need नहीं होती एक phrase में. Now let's talk about the clause. Clause क्या होते हैं? Read the following sentence first. He jumped over the fence. इसने fence के ऊपर से jump करा. He ran away. If we join these two sentences, we get he jumped over the fence and ran away. So since the two sentences have become part of a large sentence, we do not call them sentence. उनको sentence नहीं कहेंगे क्योंकि वो बड़ा जो sentence बन गया. We call them as clause. Thus, clause is a group of related words. जो क्या होता है? Group होता है related word का, which part or group of words which parts of a sentence and contains a subject and predicate. जो किसका part होता है? Sentence का part होता है जिसमें एक subject भी होता है, predicate भी होता है. A sentence can contain one or more clause. एक sentence में एक से ज़्यादा clause भी हो सकते हैं. Example: the teacher taught the students that the earth moves around the sun. So birds were flying in the sky. The fishing boats will return when the sun sets. Here in sentence 1 there are two clauses. Sentence 1 we get two clauses. The teacher taught the students. एक हो गया. Second clause क्या हो गया? The earth moves around the sun. That से दूसरा sentence start हो रहा है, तो दिया के दो clause हो गए. The teacher taught the students and the sun moves around the sun. Here sentence 2 में क्या हुआ? The birds. In sentence 2 there is only one clause. एक ही clause में sentence 2 है. Sentence 3 में the fishing boat will return when the sun sets. Fishing boat return हो जाएंगे कब? जब sun set हो जाएगा. तो इसमें क्या है आपके? There are two clauses. The fishing boat will return एक clause हो गया, और क्या? जब the sun sets आपका second clause हो गया. The kinds of phrases. Let's talk about kinds of phrases. There are three kinds of phrases. Three kind के phrases होते हैं: adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase. So let's talk about adjective phrase. क्या होता है adjective phrase? An adjective phrase is a phrase that acts as an adjective while describing a noun. एक adjective की तरह act करता है एक noun को describe करके. Like the judge was a generous man. Judge कैसा था? Generous man. तो उसमें एक adjective आ गया हमारा generous. The judge was a man of generous nature. फिर वो कैसा था? Generous nature का भी ये भी adjective हो गया. The valuable document was found yesterday. Valuable आ गया. The document was found yesterday. Valuable क्या आपका adjective है. The document of a great value was found yesterday. और great value भी आपके adjective है. तो ये क्या हो गया? Adjective phrase हो गया. The Russian Navy was defeated. Russian Navy defeat हो गया adjective है. The Navy of Russia was defeated. ये आपका adjective phrase हो गया. In each of a pair of sentence, we first have a single word that was valuable accent, qualifying the noun, and then a group of words of plus nature, of great value, of pressure qualify the same noun. So, for example, the group of words of generous nature describe the Navy. किसको describe कर रहा है? Navy को describe कर रहा है. It therefore does the work of adjective and is called a adjective phrase. वो एक adjective का work कर रहा है और इसको दो word sentence बन सकता है तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? adjective phrase कहता है. Similarly, the group of words of great value and of Russia are adjective phrase. So, adverb phrase. What do you mean by adverb phrase? Sometimes a group of words does the work of an adverb. किसका work करता है? adverb का work करता है. Example, she answered rudely. इसने कैसे answer करा? rudely. How means कैसे? She answered in a rude manner. ये क्या आपका adjective phrase हो गया? ये आपको क्या सॉरी ये आपका adverb phrase हो गया. ये क्या हो गया? आपका adverb हो गया जो verb क्या आ गया? add होता है. So he is a magistrate then. He was a magistrate in those days when time आ गया adverb of time. So adverb phrase हो गया फिर से. Good is everywhere. Good is in every place. Go adverb of place. Adverb phrase आ गया फिर से adverb place वाला adverb आ गया. So in each of the pairs of sentence we find have a single word and adverb modifying a verb and then a group of words modify the same verb. For example, the group of words in a rude manner tell us how she answered it. The manner it modifies the verb answered. Such a group of words that does the work of an adverb is called adverb phrase. So in noun phrase क्या होता है? This is a phrase that act as a noun in a sentence. ये noun की तरह act करता है sentence में. A noun or a pronoun and its modifier makes up a noun phrase. Also जो modifier होता है उसको क्या बनाता है? Noun phrase बनाता है. Like Atlas is a book of maps. ये क्या आपका noun है? It was in book of maps. तो क्या हो गया? Noun phrase हो गया. In our sentence book of maps क्या आपका noun phrase है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.